Hi, my name is Leila Cantero. I'm a student from Miami campus.
And my name is Alberto Perez, and I'm also a student from the Miami campus.
Hi, my name is Diaz. I'm student physical therapist assistant from Keiser University.
And I'm Samantha Narvez, student physical therapist assistant at Keiser University, Miami campus.
Growing up, I played baseball, and I went to university, and I got hurt. But it really motivated me in choosing the PTA program because I saw how they treated the athletes, I saw how they treated the patients.
I had 2 ACL injuries, and then I kind of wanted to be an orthopedic surgeon at first, but then I was able to experience the physical therapy side of things, so I switched my major to that.
I personally was in a car accident where I almost died and I got airlifted. I fell in love with physical therapy because I like making people feel better, especially after they are hurt.
I love helping people. I love working with someone and they feel better after and they feel relief from something, and that brings joy to me.
Yeah, that's the reason I think why we choose this program too, because then you learn how important it is for the patients, your help and the work that we do at the end of the day is because we want the patients to get better and to be functional in life.
I heard nothing but good things about this program.
Same for me. I have friends that were here before, and when I came, all I had was good experience.
I also chose it because it is a faster paced program, so you're able to do the major within a year instead of doing it 2 years that other programs do. And it's accelerated, so it really challenges you.
Our professor were really professionals. They taught us everything that we need, and we proved it because in our first clinical rotation, we were able to be hands-on and prove that we have the skills that we need for the profession.
It's not that many students in a classroom, so you really get that one-on-one attention. They know your name, they know who you are, they know things about you. So it's more of a kind of like a family type of feeling.
One thing they really focus on is that professionalism. Being on time, showing up, making sure we do everything the right way, and representing Keiser the best way possible. If you're sure you want to do this and you have your mind set on it, I advise you 100% to come and join this program. Nothing but good things about it.
I mean, you have to study, you have to put everything on it, but trust me, you're gonna be good. Like, you're gonna like it.
I was kind of like in a lost, like I didn't know what I was gonna do next because I obviously changed careers. I'm glad that I made this step because it's opened a lot of doors. So I have career opportunities after this already lined up. Education is something that can't be taken from you, and you shouldn't be scared. Like, there's a lot of students that are older and they decided to come back to school and they are doing it.
Yeah, I'm actually 34 years old, and I'll just say, man, never give up. I also do it for my daughter, and I'm setting an example for her. I've been through a lot and I pushed through, so look where I'm at now, and I'm gonna keep going.